Hey guys, shout out to eBrew for the idea for this video, but as you can see, I have put Martin's king in the corner and I've given him 2 queens. The objective of this game is to capture both of those queens. However, the only way I am allowed to capture them is with a pre-move onto a square that the queen is not currently on. Okay, so I could not capture them by going like this or like this. I would have to pre-move a rook capture, and then if the queen took that rook, I could take it. Essentially, predicting what Martin is going to do, that's kind of the only way I'm allowed to capture the queens. If Martin takes all my rooks, I lose, and these pieces are just here to keep the king from moving, so it's only going to be queen moves, at least until Martin takes all my rooks and takes these pieces, and then it might change. But at that point, I probably have already lost the challenge. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let me think. I think Martin's probably going to take this rook. I'm just going to guess that. So I'm going to move my king, and I'm going to pre-move that. No, he takes this one. So he's probably trying to come out here. So let's move my king and pre-move that. Oh, we got one. Okay, we got one. He still has this queen. Which way is he going to go? That's the question. I have a 1 in 4 chance. He's probably going to go on the diagonal, I'm going to say. Nope. All right. Now he actually has some options. He might just try to move his queen over there. So let's actually go here and pre-move that. No, he's just taking everything. Okay. Is he going to take this one? Yeah, he's probably going to take that one. So let me go here, pre-move that. Martin. Now he has so many options. I have no idea what Martin is going to do. Is he going to keep taking my rooks, or is he going to try to put me in check? He might try to put me in check. Maybe he'll go here. Let's see. Nope. Wow. Is he going to take that one? Nope. He took my bishop. Dude, that's ruining the game. Is he going to take that one? No. I have no idea what he's going to do. Nope. He goes here. Okay, we got to attack that queen, and then maybe he moves here. Nope. What is he doing? All right. Let's see. Let's go here and take this one. Yes. Thank you, Martin. That was super easy. Let's try a different position. All right, here we go. Same rules, except I have the knights. Let's go ahead and move here and pre-move this. Oh, got him. All right. We have to pre-move maybe this one. I had it. I just slipped. You guys saw that? Wow. Wow. All right. I'm going to move my king here, and then he's probably going to take this knight. Let's just see. Nope. He takes this one. Why would he do that? This one? Nope. Now he's coming over here. Is he going to try to take that again? No. Okay. Let's see if we can trap it, and let's pre-move this. Ah, so close. Let's go here and pre-move this. Let's go here and pre-move this. Nope. Let's go here and pre-move this. He's going back and forth. Nope. Okay. Let's go here and actually, hold on. Let's go here and pre-move this one. Ooh. All right, I got to move the king. What's he most likely going to do? Maybe take one of these knights? This one? No. Okay. Let's go here and pre-move this one. Nope. Man. All right. Here and pre-move that. No. Going back and forth again. Let's go here and take this. Nope. Let's go here and take this one. Martin, I have your number today, my friend. I have your number today. Let's try it with bishops. Right, here we go. Same rules. And I'm going to think he's probably going to try to take this one again. Let's see. Oh, I didn't move the king. Wait, what's happening? Nope, he took that one. Okay. Is he going to go over some more? Let's see. No. Mixing it up, are we, Martin? Now it's hard because he has 2 queens and I have no idea what he's going to do. Nope, he's going to go back. Let's see. Is he going to move here or here? He's probably going to take something. He just moved. I bet he's going to take this one. So close. All right. Maybe this one? No, he's back to moving the queen. This one? Oh, I can't take that. What am I even doing? This one. Nope. Just moving again. Okay, let's go here and pre-move this. No, let's go here and pre-move this. All right. Let's see. He might try to escape. He seems to like to do that. So let's move this one and pre-move that. Does that count? I think that counts because I was going to do it. I just wasn't fast enough, right? I think that counts. All right. I think that I beat Martin. I mean, that was pretty convincing. I think I have his number in this game. So thank you, Ebrew. I thought that was fun. Kind of weird, but yeah, I had a lot of fun doing that. So let me know. I am reading your comments. And so if you have a good idea for something like this, go ahead and put it down below. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. As always, stay sharp, play smart, and take care.